In my last video, I showed you the result of how Copilot helped me to create a presentation. And if you subscribed to my newsletter last week, I would have linked to it and promised you that this week I will show you how I did that. So that's what this video is all about, how I gave Copilot a prompt and it created the video for me. So without any further ado, let's get stuck in. So first things first, we have to tell Copilot what to do. But before we do that, I need to tell you that I am using Microsoft 365 Enterprise and I have a full business Copilot license. So everything that I do applies in that scenario. So here I've got a new presentation number 3, and here I've got my Copilot icon. When I click on this icon, it asks me what I want to do. Do I want to create a presentation, create from a file, add a slide, or ask Copilot a question? Well, I'm actually going to create a presentation. And this is where I pop my prompt in. Now, of course, I have a prompt over on my other monitor because I've done this before. Otherwise, it would just take too long. It may take you a few goes to get your prompt together. You have to tell Copilot who you are writing as, and you have to tell it exactly what you want it to do. You can also add tone of voice, which I haven't done in this, but it's going to work. So let's click direct and you'll see that Copilot starts already to create those slides. I've asked it to create a presentation about different AI models and to focus on Copilot at the end. So I'm going to ask it to generate the slides. It will do a maximum of 40. And here we go, it's adding titles to those slides. And the magic is it will bring me the slides plus images, and it will add the animations or transitions as well. So here we go, we can see it's starting to add in the titles. I can go all the way to the bottom. You can see where it's got placeholders for pictures. And there we go. Now I'm in the presentation and I've got all my slides, so I can scroll down and just see it laid out in slide sort of view. I can choose to keep it, which I'm going to do because I'm not really going to use this for anything major. If I want to see what it looks like, I can then present it. I can present it using the slideshow icon and it will pop up on my screen beautifully. So here I am. I'm now going to click record using the presenter icon at the bottom, the PowerPoint presenter mode, and I wasn't on the first slide, but you can see as I scroll through that it's given me some information and it looks great. It's not quite the same content as my previous one, the one in the last week's video, because my prompt was slightly different. So do be aware that each prompt is going to generate a different, a possible different outcome. So I tend to I've learned now to keep a note of my prompts, and we can actually save them to the prompt gallery later, but that's a topic for another time. So if I escape from there, I'll finish that presentation off. Now all I need to do is go back to the home view, the normal view, come back up to the top, and I'm now going to apply my design to it. So I'm going to go to the design ribbon and I'm going to find my Maestro theme, which is over here, and I'm going to apply that. And you'll see that that's now been applied to all my slides. Designer is being a little bit helpful. All my text has gone into the blue and all of the slides now have my theme applied. So the next step for me is to check the content. I need to go through slide by slide, make sure that all the content is correct. And let's check if it's given me, yes it has, it's given me speaker notes. So I want to go through slide by slide, check my speaker notes and make sure that everything is as I want it to be. Once I'm happy with it, the next step will be to record it. And I'm going to do that in a separate segment.